Whether you discover a flat in your garage or during a roadside emergency, knowing how to change that tire can turn a major headache into a minor hassle. Here's a list of what you'll need. And make sure your car is equipped with a jack, a lug wrench, and a spare tire at all times. First, find the safest place you can to change the tire. If away from a garage, a parking lot, or the shoulder of the road is best. Park the car, then turn on the hazard lights and engage the emergency brake. Once the car is safely parked, familiarize yourself with the tire repair toolkit in your vehicle. If available, wedge wheel chocks under both tires on the opposite side of the car. Next, with the wrench, loosen the lug nuts, but do not remove them yet. Place the jack under the car frame near the flat tire. Then raise the car until the flat tire has 6 inches of clearance. To take off the flat, remove the lug nuts and put them in a safe place. Then, with both hands, pull the flat tire towards you until it slides off the hub. To install the spare, line it up with the wheel bolts and push it into place. Then place the lug nuts onto the bolts. To make sure the wheel mounts evenly, tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, but do not tighten completely. Next, lower the car so that the wheel is touching the ground, but without the car's full weight on it. Finish tightening the lug nuts in the star pattern, pushing down on the wrench with your body weight for a secure fit. Now you can finish lowering the car. Finally, check the tire pressure with a gauge before getting back on the road. When roadside assistance isn't an option, knowing how to change your own tire is a crucial skill you'll be glad you mastered. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.